In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom author bio box in Blogger. To get started, open Blogger and go to the same menu where you manage your theme. From there, select Edit HTML. This will open your theme's code editor, which is where you can directly customize the styling of your blog. If you have not worked in this area before, just move carefully and avoid changing anything unrelated to the step we're covering here. Once the code editor is open, look through the theme code for the closing bskin tag. This section is important because it contains the CSS styling for your Blogger theme. What you want to do here is paste your custom CSS styling code just above the closing bskin tag. Placing it here ensures that your custom design rules are included properly within the theme's style sheet and can be applied to the author bio box styling. As you paste the code, make sure it sits in the correct location and does not interrupt any existing lines of code. Keeping the formatting clean will help prevent styling issues later. If your code editor highlights tags or indentation, use that visual structure to confirm you are placing everything exactly where it belongs. After you've pasted the custom CSS, take a moment to quickly review the area and confirm nothing was accidentally removed or misplaced. This small check can save time if you run into display problems afterward. Even a missing bracket or an incorrect placement can affect how your theme behaves, so a quick double check is always a good habit. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save icon, which looks like a floppy disk. This saves the changes to your Blogger theme and applies the new styling you've added. If Blogger accepts the save without errors, that usually means the code has been added correctly. And that's it for this step. You've successfully added your custom CSS styling into your Blogger theme, which is a key part of displaying a custom author bio box the way you want. If you're following along as part of a larger customization, this styling will help control the appearance, spacing, colors, and overall presentation of that author section. Take your time, save carefully, and always preview your blog afterward to make sure the design looks the way you expect. With that done, your Blogger theme is now one step closer to having a polished custom author bio box.